In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can get the Arclight camo on the Warden 308 here in Call of Duty Black Ops 7. Before we do get into this, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point through this guide you do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Overall, this is pretty easy to do. First things first, go ahead and open up the gunsmith and go specifically into the customize tab. From here, go into camo and then over to the multiplayer tab. And this is where you're going to see all of the challenges that you have to complete in order to go ahead and get Arclight here on the Warden 308. I'm not going to lie, Arclight does look pretty sick on this weapon, but there is quite a bit of prerequisites that you have to go ahead and complete in order to knock this out. First things first, you do need to get Shattered Gold here on the Warden 308. Now, I have a full video breaking down the exact strategy that you're going to want to use. If you want to get Shattered Gold quickly, I highly recommend checking out that video. It's already up on the channel and it's going to break down the military camos as well as the special camos. So make sure to check that out if you want to get Shattered Gold on the Warden 308 quick. But on top of that, you're also going to need to get Shattered Gold on the other two marksman rifles here in this class setup. You only need to get Shattered Gold on 3 marksman rifles total. So in the future, if there are more than 3 marksman rifles in the game, you can do an easier one if there is an easier one. Nonetheless, we have guides on every single one of them, so check them out and get Shattered Gold quick. Once you do have Shattered Gold on everything though, all you need to go ahead and do is get 10 double kills or better with the Warden 308 in order to get Arclight. Now this is honestly super easy to go and do. I actually recommend playing Domination for this to knock this one out pretty quickly, just since this weapon does have pretty good range. What you're going to want to do is position yourself in an area to see the B zone, just since that is the most frequently visited zone in Domination. And real quick, you can do this on Hardcore as well. It does make it a little bit easier, but Standard is completely fine. But essentially, just go ahead and get a kill on 2 people within the zone in quick succession and do this 9 times in a row, and you'll go ahead and knock out the Arclight camo quick. Don't be in the zone itself. This weapon isn't great for close range combat. You're going to want to be a little bit farther back. But if you're further back, you'll knock this out ASAP. It should only take 1 to 2 games max. And once again, you can play a hardcore domination to make it just a little bit easier, or just standard domination. If you guys do have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. And before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.